So today we'll be looking at the all newly released Tecno Spark 9 Pro, which is the higher version of the Tecno Spark 90 we looked at in my first video, which if you watch that video you already know or have an idea of what the Spark series has got to offer. And if you have not seen that video, hit the link above or the link in the description section to watch it so you can make a well-advised decision on which device to get. Now back to the Spark 9 Pro. It's quite similar to the Spark 90 with only a handful of differences, both positive and negative as we shall be seeing shortly. The Tecno Spark 9 Pro is the perfect fit for getting more for less. At 99,000 Naira or about $200, you get a premium looking device with great camera, battery life, and not to leave out its very sleek design. The first thing you'll see when unboxing is the smartphone wrapped in plastic that shows some highlights of the device. There's a 12+1 month warranty card and a hard plastic case, the earphones alongside the USB Type-C charging cable with the 18W fast charger and also a SIM ejector tool. The device has an ultra slim design. It comes in 4 unique colors: the Quantum Black, the Burano Blue, Holy White and the Haka Storm. It has the matte finish design with glitters, and the stop at nothing is inscribed at the lower back of the device. Tecno Spark 9 Pro has the power button and the volume rocker keys at the right, which the power button also serves as a fingerprint scanner. On the left side we've got a SIM card tray that can take dual nano SIM and a micro SD card. At the rear we've got the headphone jack, a microphone, a USB Type-C charging port and a speaker grill, leaving the top of the device plain. At the back of the device is a triple camera setup that comprises a 50 megapixel main sensor, a 2 megapixel depth sensor, a VGA sensor for low light detection and a dual flashlight. The 6.6-inch Full HD display gadget offers a good pixel density of 407 and a resolution of 1080 by 2408 pixels. The display is clear and enjoyable to watch videos and other media. However, it does not have a fast enough refresh rate as it only runs on 60Hz, making scrolling quite slow. This will discourage individuals who have used a smartphone with quicker refresh rate, and it will undoubtedly be a deal breaker for most of them. Not sure exactly why Tecno went with this, as the lesser version, the Spark 90, has a faster refresh rate. Pretty bad idea from Tecno, won't you say? As this could have very easily been the almighty all-in-one smartphone for its price range, considering the device is absolutely amazing. For night selfies, a flashlight is mounted at the top of the display. The MediaTek Helio G85 octa-core CPU powers the Tecno Spark 9 Pro. It's a 12nm processor which is considered outdated by today's standards and similar to that of the Tecno Spark 90. Yet, it's still a good mid-range gaming device as evidenced below. According to the benchmark I conducted here, it can handle most 3D games at low to medium graphics levels. General performance is not bad with 4GB of RAM and main fusion technology, which adds an additional 3GB of RAM for a total of 7GB, which, as I said in my first video, is a fantastic idea. Tecno, once again, I applaud you for this. For software, Android 12 is what comes with the Spark 9 Pro, but with a new custom software which is the iOS 8.6. It has some new features and a better user interface. The notification center may be accessed by swiping from the top left corner, and the settings panel can be accessed by swiping from the right. Bloatware is still present, but also not as interrupting as I would have expected. Because of its memory consumptions, I believe Tecno could do a better job next time of not introducing such apps. The Spark 9 Pro's selling point is that it shoots amazing good looking photographs with enough information, balancing colors, decent dynamic range and nice exposure for both the rear camera and the selfie camera. But I believe there's still potential for improvement as there are still sharpness irregularities just like in the Spark 90. However, I like how detailed and vivid most of the photographs are. The battery on the Spark 9 Pro is 5000 mAh, which I believe, as always, will be more than enough for an average user. On a full charge, it should take you for a full day if you're not a very heavy user. And of course, the Tecno Spark 9 Pro is a mid-range device, and I think it's not bad for its price range. However, the experience is almost premium for an average user. So for my final take, I'll say it's an amazing device, but the letdown is that the lesser version, the Spark 90, has got a much higher refresh rate than the Spark 9 Pro, which is going to be quite the deal breaker for gamers and headphone users. Tecno should have definitely made that better. Do let me know what you think in the comment section, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Till we see you again, bye bye.